In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to quickly recover a hacked Instagram account. This is going to be a step-by-step guide, so I want you to watch my video completely till the end. If you're watching my video for today, I'm sure your Instagram account is hacked. I'm very sorry about that, but let's try and see how we could appeal to Instagram so that we get access to our accounts back. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this on a laptop. So get hold of a laptop or a PC, open Google Chrome, do a search for my Instagram account was hacked. So you're going to get a lot of suggestions. The first one out here, my Instagram was hacked. Click on that link. You get directed to this page out here. And then you need to put in your username or your phone number or whatever it is. Let me quickly put in my username. Now, once you do that, you're going to be directed to this page on which you could get a code to recover your account. This is going to be very simple and easy for you. If you have access to your phone numbers or your email address, just select that and click on continue and get a code, and then you could log into your Instagram account using that code. You could change your password and secure your account. Now, if you do not have access to any one of these accounts out here, what you could do is, as an alternative, check your email inbox. You may have received an email from Instagram telling you about a login from a different location. You could check that email and see you may have gotten a link to secure your account. Click on secure your account and you could change your password and stuff like that. Now, if you cannot find that email, not a problem. What you could do is get in touch with Instagram directly. The fastest way is to give them a feedback. Here, you're going to see a feedback box. Just click on no, and then you get a pop-up like this. And then you just select the second option. The solution doesn't work. Click on select. You get a message box out here. Just put in your handle or your Instagram ID or your email address and tell them that my account was hacked. I need to get access to my account, so please could you help me? That's it. And submit this and send it to them. You're definitely going to get a communication from Instagram. Now wait for 24 hours and see if these guys respond to you. If you get a response from Instagram and you get help, well and good. If you do not, just get back to a browser and do a search for Play Store. Click on Android apps, or you could also do a search for App Store. No problem. You could do the same on a MacBook or an iPad, no problem. Do a search for Instagram. Okay, look for the app out here on Google Play or the App Store, and then click on the Instagram icon or the word and get directed to this page out here for Instagram. Click on app support. You're going to see an email address out here. Send an email across to these guys. You are definitely going to get a response. Now, by utilizing any one of these methods, you are definitely going to get access to your Instagram account, no doubt. But what I would suggest is, after you get access to your Instagram account or profile or page, whatever you want to call it, go ahead and turn on two-factor authentication. Now, if you do that, it's going to secure your account in such a way that hackers are not going to get access to your account anymore. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.